southwestern.
Oh my God, another one! What the heck,
in
dude?
northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset
This is
County,
crazy.
northeastern
What?
Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m.,
No,
a
it's
severe
not.
thunderstorm was located over Belfast, or near Easton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Rain.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding,
KZZ31.
power lines if possible. Locations impacted include...
God damn! What the heck is happening right now?
Bridgewater,
This is like crazy.
Wilson, Washington, Nazareth, Morris Plains.
This is crazy. God damn! Insane!
Belvedere, and Harmony. This includes
We didn't get a considerable SBR.
Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 76. Interstate 70 in New Jersey near mile marker 0, in between mile markers 3 and 38.
I think that storm is heading straight for
New
me.
Jersey between mile markers 14 and 36.
Yeah. They're gonna show an SBR for me
Interior
soon.
room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud to
Frequent
ground
lightning
is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Flood advisory in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. What urban and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where portions of southern Connecticut, including the following counties.
God damn. This is crazy as hell.